Hello everyone, I'm Grat, and today we're going to have a look at some different ISO I created with different desktop environments for Linux Grat-OS. So welcome on my desktop. As previously stated, I'm using Grat-OS on my host machine, so on my own computer. And today we're going to try some different ISO, and I'm going to use Virt Manager. So Virt Manager is a QEMU KVM frontend, and this frontend allows to really test different architectures, different ISOs. You can even simulate hard disk hard drives. And basically you can test your ISO. So we're going to give a try at let's start with the LXDE, because this one is very simple. So as you can see, it's not able to detect what kind of system it's using. So we have to untick, and then we have to choose generic or unknown OS, which is usually generic, so generic enough that everything should work. We're going to give it 20 gigs, should be enough. I'm gonna try it and call it test. Let's go. So welcome to the bootloader of the installation. So we have two options. We can start a live or start the installation. So I usually try the installation first, so I'm gonna try and choose my favorite language, French. The installation in progress. As you can see, it's going really fast. So at the end it's a bit slower because it's extracting images to get LXDE. Some squash FS, and now it's asking for my keyboard for the network. I'm gonna give it the network with the HTTP, and now asking for the host name, the time, basically the host time, so it's all right. And now it's asking for the user. So you can either choose to create your own user, and it will be sudo-where, which means it could elevate with sudo command, or you can choose root. And if you choose root, it will not put your user as sudo-where, okay? Because if you choose to define root password, it means you want to isolate your own security. So for example, if I choose root and a password, as you can see, it's not asking any more questions. And I cannot connect. Of course I could connect with root, but I mean, this is a bad way to do things, because you should never connect to any application, any desktop with a root account. It is dangerous. And now I'm going to show you how you can create another user. So I will start -nu. Nu means new user, and I think I can just type nu right there. There's an alias, and it's asking for my user. So I'm going to give it a try. All right, I just created user, and now I'm gonna have a look at the sudo files. And as you can see, there is no sudo files, because when you define root password during the installation, it means you will not have sudo installed. But it can be fixed. I mean, just get your sudo and it's done. If I have the network, I do have the network. if you have a look at the file, you will see that every member of the wheel group will be a pseudo-word. So this is usually what's done. So I'm gonna ask a demo to the group wheel. And we're just going to log out. And as we are logging out and reconnect this demo, as you can see, it found demo user. It can connect. It's able to connect. So I don't know why there is no background. I may have disabled some things. Okay, so let's have a look and try sudo gparted, for example. Yeah, it's asking for my password. Okay, it's complaining that it didn't find awk but it's starting. So as you can see, it's able to elevate. And as you can see, I mean, it's quite simple. Nothing fancy in there. You should already know LXDE because it's been around like, I don't know, 20 years maybe. So it's using quite low memory print. It's lightweight, it's fast, and it may come handy for some people. Let's shut down the VM, and now we're going to try another desktop. So what we'll do, we'll just change the CD-ROM to another desktop. Let's try LXQT. Apply. I'm gonna check the boot options. Yeah, I do have to check the CD-ROM, and I'm gonna put the CD-ROM first. So it should be fine now. All right, so LXQT, right? We're going to install it. Welcome again. This is the same installer. So as you can see, it looks like Matrix, no? It's all green and black. Yeah, so it's on purpose. I made these colors because I think it's really really cool. I mean, the contrast is fine. Okay, so the partitions are fine. I'm going to erase Grat-OS. And as I'm erasing Grat-OS, I will reinstall it over. It's often stuck at 72%, I don't know why. It might be the biggest squash fest there. And you want to boot your computer? Of course. Okay, it's going to make a copy of grub config file because the boot partition, the EFI partition wasn't formatted. So yeah. Again, you want to use DHCP for your network? Of course. The time is fine. And again, going to try a demo account. Okay, so here we have only one session, so we don't know if it's using Xorg or if it's using Wayland. Now let's try to connect. Yeah, so it's asking for questions. What do you want to use as a window manager? So yeah, we are going to let the default one KWin, which is the one provided with Plasma KD5. No battery found, it's okay. I mean, really. Okay, so the system works. We can open a terminal. Okay. Can we open our home? Yeah. All right. Well, I like the icons, the blue. It's really nice. So let's have a look at LXQT's configuration center appearance. So what do we have there? Colors, GTK style, font. Okay, so this is the menu. I think the menu theme. Yeah. Phantom. Oh, nice. Oh yeah. It's the default theme. Breeze dark. And Qt style. So as I can see, we have Adwaita, which is weird because it's a GTK term. So let's try it. Oh, okay. Ew. This is weird. Will it stay like this? I don't know. Let's try again. Oh, yeah. This is very strange. I would like to have a dark theme, but I'm not able to change apparently to a dark theme. So let's try and change the GTK theme. So breeze dark, and I'm going to choose. Okay, this time I don't have a choice of Adwaita dark. Let's try breeze dark. And there is no, wow, no breeze in there. So yeah, it's very strange. But I don't know. I mean, I don't really use LXQT, so might be normal. Kwin, yeah. Let's try and restart the session. Maybe the theme is only applied when you disconnect and reconnect. So, okay. Oh, yeah. The theme is dark, so it's all right. It's just that it's not really applied live. You have to restart your session. So. Okay, it's great. It's working great.
No way.
Ah, so it's asking for my user to mount a partition, but it's already mounted, so yeah, it's weird. Ah, okay, so this is the... Oh, now if I go on the desktop, it shows me the different icons with these there, but there is the extension .desktop, so yeah, it's quite weird. It shouldn't be displayed like this. Open a tab as admin, open a tab as root. Okay, so what's the difference? Let's try open this folder as root. Yeah, okay, so this is the root user, the root window, and this root window will have, oh yeah, no theme, no icon theme, because we didn't set the settings for the root, of course. It's giving some information that you are actually connected as root in this window, so it's nice for security reasons. Okay, do we have, I don't know, do we have internet? Let's go Facebook. Yeah, we do have Facebook. Okay, so VISO works. Let's just shut down the VM. Oh, we have a nice pop-up, a shutdown pop-up dialog. I like the theme, the icons, black icons and rounded. It's really great. Your work will be lost, yeah, I'm sure. Well, this is it, folks. So we tested two different ISO, LXDE and LXQT. So I'm going to make different videos for, I would say, the user desktop environments, because if I continue, the video might take more than 1 hour, so it's a bit long. And so you will be able to choose what you want to see, really. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, because you want to support my work, and you want me to continue and present you Grat-OS and maybe different things. If you want me to cover different topics you like, or you want me to analyze or talk in the videos, don't hesitate to give a comment in the comment section, and I will try to cover and do my best. Thank you again, and see you later. Bye.